Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Now you're just somebody that I used to.
Let's start. First, open any editing application. Go to New Project and add to Photos, one younger one and one older one. Select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Now split the second photo into 8 parts. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now replace third, fifth, seventh, and ninth photo with first photo. Now add text. Go to text and type lyrics according to the beat. Now adjust all text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.